a YouTube video tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're gonna be doing this live.
Yeah, this is our look for tomorrow.
Obviously, we're gonna first start out moisturizing our faces. I used Laneige, I never know if I'm saying that right, but Water Bank Moisture Cream, and just put it all over.
And I use the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Face Lotion.
And then do you do a primer next?
I actually don't use primer.
Really?
I literally just put on my face tanning stuff. Or it's not for your face, but
yeah, I use my
Jergens.
stuff on my face.
This is my Lifeline. I use it every day. This is not sponsored. I just really want a lifetime supply of this because it's so good.
You really do use it every day. So she's gonna do her tanning stuff. I don't use that much tanning stuff, but so I don't do it every time I do my makeup. But I use the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh as a primer. I just put a little bit on my fingers. So you use a makeup brush to do your tan?
Yes,
me too.
I do for my face.
Same.
And then obviously for my body, I use the MIC.
I just started using a makeup brush for my self tanning, and it really made a world of difference. Also, we got these little clips because I know y'all all watched the Drunk Get Ready With Me
of Kylie and Chloe.
Yeah, and they had the little clips. We don't know how they made them look that cute, but
we literally look bald.
I use the Dior Forever Skin Glow in, let's see, what is this? 159.
And I use the Urban Decay All Nighter. I've been using this for years.
Forever. Recreating the look that we did last night when we went out, so which you know by the intro, I forgot.
I'm going in next with this Tarte Shape Cake, and I use it in the color Light Sand.
I wanted to make this a whole separate video of reviewing like Kylie's like makeup, but I'm going to review 3 of her products in here. So the first one is Kylie's Skin Concealer, and it is called Shell.
And we're done.
Okay.
I use like a lot of Maybelline and L'Oreal stuff because it's so good. But for your face makeup, you should really like invest in good quality makeup.
I agree. Some things you can get cheaper, but foundation is not one of them.
Yeah. Foundation, concealer.
Concealer, yeah. Next, we're going in with the Anastasia Cool Golden Stick Foundation. We use the same shade somehow. Yeah, absolutely.
Shut up.
Cool Golden.
Ready? Oh, hopefully I didn't just get that on yours.
No, but you like have a scratch on yours.
That's weird. Now, I just bought this Morphe bronzer.
I'm putting this Laneige Lip Glowy Balm on because I like my lips to be moisturized before I put on like lip liner and stuff. So like in the beginning of my makeup routine, I'll usually do that. I'm using the Anastasia powder bronzer in Rich Amber.
I use this Derma Blend loose setting powder in the original shade. This is literally my favorite powder ever. And then I go in with this Kat Von D, shout out my girl, contour palette too. And I'll just go in with this this color. I don't know what color that is. So I'll just put it right here.
Alright, so next I'm going to go in with some blush, and I'm actually using the Kylie Close to Perfect Pressed Blush Powder. This is one of the second Kylie products I'm going to be using.
I put my blush on at the end. I am about to start on my eyebrows, so I'm just going to brush them out. I just went and got this L'Oreal Brow Stylist frame and set. I'm not sure, light blonde, wait no, light brunette is the color.
And since I have my brows microbladed, I actually don't do my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna chill while you do your brows.
This bitch is lucky.
I do use this Anastasia clear brow gel though, so I guess I could go ahead and do that.
I also go in with this Maybelline tattoo something. It's like a little ink pen and it like draws on hairs. Yeah, it's really nice. So I just use that in the front because I like it looking like wispy.
Like feathers.
Yeah, so I'll use that in the front.
Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and brush off. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave it. I'll leave it.
Oh, you reminded me. I need to brush this off.
Yeah, I need to brush that part off.
See how like this part is, that Kat Von D works, baby. So now onto the palette.
It's the same palette I use in like any makeup tutorial I've done so far because it's that good. This is the Jaclyn Morphe palette, as you know. So beautiful. I love it. There's just so many options you can do. So we're gonna recreate the looks that we did in the beginning of this video. Maddie's actually going to start her own channel soon too.
I am.
So I'm going to add the link to her channel down below. Even though she doesn't have any videos, you guys can go ahead and subscribe. So when she does post a video, you'll be ready with that notification.
I'm going to do like makeup videos because I just freaking love makeup, and it's something that I've always wanted to do, and Emily just like really inspired me to go ahead and actually freaking do it. Her lashes look so good, y'all. Like, I still have to put on my lashes. Like,
I'm like basically done with my look.
Yeah.
I'm using the Cheers Darling Press Illuminating Powder by her. And that's the last thing I'm gonna use, well, other than my lip color, I'm gonna use this little fan brush.
I'm putting my eyeliner on and I'm using this Maybelline Precise. It's like a felt tip liquid liner. I'm stopping right now for the best eyelashes you will ever wear in your life.
I agree.
It is the Eyelure Opulent. They are mink lashes and they're just...
She got me addicted to them before I went to extension. I'm gonna be using this melted Too Faced Melted Matte, and what is this, the Child Star one? It came off, okay, Child Star.
I'm gonna use this lip balm just cause.
Prime your lips.
Yeah. It makes it easier for my lip liner and everything to just like smoothly go on.
Yeah, I noticed when I put this on, like after having that Laneige on my lips the whole time, it's so creamy.
And always overline your lips, ladies.
Always. Lip injections or not.
And then I go in and put this in the center of my lips. Same as Emily. Fuck.
Damn. They won't know that the camera cut off because I was editing it out. Just one more. I can't do it. How do you do that?
Like that.
Like Shrek. I think of Donkey on Shrek going.
Finally is the blush.
Ooh.
I just use this, I don't know.
Shanae.
Shawnee?
Oh.
Shanae, honey. They don't have names of the colors, so I'm sorry. But I like really dark, like ruby red colors. I'm using this one on the outside of my cheek.
All right, so this is our final look that we did, we recreated from last night. And of course we used the Jaclyn Hill. This is the main staple of our makeup routine. So I hope you guys like this video.
Thank you for joining.
Yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to both of us. Thank you guys.
Bye.